Hello guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to write comments and MySQL. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open MySQL Workbench by typing MySQL Workbench and open it. And now let's connect to MySQL server, okay, and type your password. I connected to MySQL server, as you can see, and I have some database in the link and in this side, as you can see, movie man, library, classic Morris, and bank. So first, I have to select my database and select everything from this table. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, it will show how to write comments in MySQL. There are two types of comments, single line comment and multiple line comment. If you want to write a single line comment, you can write minus minus, and this is a single line comment. Okay, select the database. This is comments. Okay, single line comment you can use minus minus and then write the comments. If you want to write multiple comments, you can use excel / and this one, and this is a multiple line comments in MySQL, and close it. As you can see, this is single line comment and this is multiple line comment. Thank you guys for watching. Yes, that's it. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.